Hey guys, today is harvest day. We're doing things a little bit different. Instead of using shovels and breaking our backs, we're going to go ahead and use our Bobcat mini excavator, and it's going to do the heavy lifting for us. Yep, we're popping garlic bulbs out of the garden. So our garlic's been in the ground since last fall, soaking up nutrients through the winter and spring and summer, and now it's ready to come out. This isn't about being lazy. Well, maybe a little bit, but it's way easier to loosen the soil and get the bulbs out without damaging them. So Doug's taking the bucket and slowly curling it underneath the roots of the bulb and lifting it up very gently. Breaking all the soil loose, and then I'll go in and pull the bulbs out. So we use the teeth of the excavator bucket to curl up underneath the bulbs and kind of pop them up and loosen the soil. So then I could just pop them right out of the ground. Now you probably noticed these are a little too mature, which we weren't planning on eating these. We wanted to get a bunch of cloves so next year we can plant a whole big row of garlic to sell at our farmer's market. So the plan is this fall is put down a mulch layer and plant the garlic in that so we don't have any weeds. And we're also going to put a drip line irrigation and water them from our nutrients so these guys will grow nice and big for us. So who says that farm work has to be all about sweat and calluses? Sometimes it just takes the right tool and a little bit of creativity. So you guys stick around to see in the next few videos how we prep these guys for planting.
Thanks for hanging out with me in the garden today. If you enjoyed this video, tap the like button, ring the bell, and subscribe so you don't miss our next Homegrown Passion adventure. See you soon!